This is my daughter's 2003 Murano. It was showing a cylinder 2 code of P0302, which says cylinder 2 misfire. So I pulled that coil, was going to swap it for this coil. When I did that, this one had oil in it. So I cleaned some of that oil. You can see on the rag, it had a bit of a mess. I don't know if that was causing a problem. I swapped these, cleared the codes, started up, and I'll see if a code comes back and if it's changed which cylinder it is. And then we can figure things out. I have ordered a valve cover kit for this. I just was waiting because the rear one is quite a pain. So this is it with the codes cleared. Still seems to be idling a little stumbly compared to how it used to. I'll try reading the codes again, but I don't know how quickly it would read. So right now it's saying no codes. So I think what I'll do is take it for a little drive and then check again and see which one it triggers in case it is just moving from cylinder to cylinder and I've got a bad coil pack. Thank you.